Great news, building and financing your new machine just got a whole lot easier. This is Alex from New Tech Machinery. We just made buying a portable rollformer a whole lot easier. With our online configurator, you can build your machine with exact profiles, accessories, and options you need. See your estimated monthly payments, update in real time, and submit financing applications all on one site. Here's why it matters. You get faster decisions, often in 4 to 8 business hours, a soft credit inquiry that won't impact your score, flexible terms like 36, 48, or 60 months, multiple structures through our financing partners, including EFAs and FMV leases. Best of all, you build your machine and you finance it all in one place. Ready to see the new configurator? Let's jump on my computer and I'll show you how to use it. First up, you pull up newtechmachinery.com and you notice that we have some new buttons on the website. You got the build and finance button right here. When you do the drop-down menu, you can see configure your machine or build and finance. There's tons of different buttons on the website now. So when you scroll down and you see all our different machines, so here's the SSQ, so we say build and finance. So let's click that button right here, and that pulls up the SSQ. Now, you see the whole new site here. So let's say we select this button, it says select model. Notice the different packages that we have. So there's 3 different packages. So the implant package, the portable package, the machine only package. And then you see the different configurations that we offer, the residential, the commercial, and the notching packages. And under each configuration, you see what's included. So the package includes, for the commercial, the unique controller, choice of residential or commercial profile, 1 rib roller, in-house training, panel machine cart, decoiler, expandable reel, things like that. So each configuration will mention what the package includes. So let's say I want to do the portable package with the residential configuration. I hit add to quote, and that pulls up the new quote here on the right-hand side. Notice the total price plus the estimated monthly payment for 60 months, and you can change that to different payment structures. So let's say you want to do 48 months instead. Well, then you see your estimated monthly payment. You can change that for whatever structure you want. So 36, 48, and 60. Let's say you want to add a new profile to this package. Let's say you want to add, let's go the board and batten. So you click the board and batten, and that adds it to your quote. Now notice that it has a 0 next to it. Well, that's because this is the first profile that I chose for my machine package. Each package includes 1 profile. Now let's say you want to add a second profile. Let's scroll down a little bit and you can add the 1-inch mechanical seam. So let's add that additional profile to the quote. Do you want to do it on both sides or just the right side rollers? Let's go both sides, and we just want to do a quantity of 1. So we'll add that to the quote, and that adds another $15,900 to your quote. So now we see the total, and now we see the new estimated payment. Note that this is the current price for the SSQ and the different profiles. These profiles and prices are subject to change. We're recording this on October 1st, 2025. Prices may go up in the future if you're watching this video in the future. So let's jump back into it. Okay, so now let's choose the rib roller that we want. Each package, you get to have 1 rib roller with it. So let's say I want to do a pencil rib. We add that to the quote. Notice that on the right-hand side, it's added to the quote. Now we need to choose our power pack. So do we want gas or electric motor? We'll go electric. That's also added to the quote. And we'll keep scrolling down. Now here's where all the accessories are. So do you want to add a trailer to your quote? Do you want to add a reel stand? Do you want to add the unique controller? So I'm a big fan of the unique controller, so I'm going to add the unique controller to the quote. So that adds more to the total price you see here on the right. And let's also add the trailer. And that also increases the price. And you can see as we add new features and accessories, the estimated monthly payments change, and you can still see from 60 months to 48 months to 36 months. Notice as we keep scrolling here, there are other accessories you can add. These are all the accessories that you can find on our website. So let's add canvas cover. So we'll add the canvas cover with the unique. That adds another to the quote. As we keep scrolling, you can add additional rib rollers. Let's say you also want to add notching or the angle slitter to your machine. You can do that here. Let's keep working down. So you can also add different flush wall panel profiles. And that's at the bottom of the page there. So I think that's a pretty good package. So we got the SSQ2 portable package with the board and batten. We added a second profile, the 1-inch mechanical seam. We chose our rib roller. We chose the quick change power pack, the unique automatic controller. We added the trailer. We also added the canvas cover. So it comes out, here's our total payment on the right, and here's our estimated monthly payment. Now, all you have to do is say, request a quote. And then this page pops up. Type in your name, so we'll go Alex. Type in your zip code and any other notes. And when you hit continue, that generates the quote for you and also sends a message to our sales team that you're ready to talk about a quote. You'll get an email notification from our website saying that the quote has been generated. You can pull up the quote and see it. So when you see the quote, you'll see either get pre-approval now, or you can skip that and you can come back later. The quote will still be generated for you in that email. And you can look back at that quote, and then also just when you're ready, you can get pre-approved for your financing. Financing your NTM rollformer has never been easier. Just a heads up, NTM does not finance in-house. We partner with Corbel, a technology company that partners with top-tier financing providers. Here are a few quick tips to make this process smooth and cost-effective. Configure precisely. Know the profiles, accessories, and add-ons to select for the right machine up front. You can speak to an account manager if you're unsure. Please note you can still make changes to your final quote. The configurator is just an estimator. You will submit your final invoice to the lender to initiate the loan. Compare structures. EFA versus FMV leases have different tax and year-end term implications. Ask your lender and CPA which best fits your goals. For year-end, if Section 179 is part of your strategy, build in time for delivery, setup, and putting your machine into service before December 31st. If you have any questions, make sure to reach out to an account manager. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. If you need a deeper dive, make sure to check out this article linked right here. We'll see you guys in the next video.